Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be introducing the Lesson 20 sight words. This is going to be our practice. And these are our words that we have to know by Friday. And there are 8 of them. And let's have a look at them. So let's do this one first. This one says want. That A makes the aw sound. So here is our card for it. What does that word say? Want. Want. Let's look at the picture. Oh, there's kids. They want to pick apples today. Let's raise this up a little bit. Okay, remember that word. This next word says old. That makes sense. That word sounds out. Old. Old. Oh, look at this apple tree. What does this word say? Old. Old. This little apple tree is not very old. I guess there's some older ones that have thicker trunks. Okay, next word. Try. Try. That Y makes the I sound. Try. Okay, now you read it. What does this say? Try. Try. Let's look at the kids. They try to find the best apples. So some might have worms in them. Some might not be fully ripe. Some might be too small. They're going to find the best apples. What does this one say? Use. That word makes sense. The E makes the U say its name. Use. Put this here, and let's go ahead and read that. What does that say? Use. Use. Use a ladder to reach the high apples. Yeah, why climb a tree when you can just get a ladder and climb the ladder? Next one is more. That one makes sense too. The E makes the O say its name. More. More. What does the word say? More. More. No more apples will fit in here. I guess not. This is sort of like the word want, where the A says aw. Wash. Wash. And here's the card for it. Let's see if we can read that word on here. Ready? Can you read it? Wash. Wash. Look at the girl. She's going to wash the apple. They have to spray the apples with insecticide so that the insects don't go over there and eat them. And so you got to get that off of there. Be sure to wash the apples. Wash. Next word is mother. The O says mother. And the E doesn't even say anything. It's as if that R controlled it and just said its own name, Mother, mother. Mother. Ben's mother helps us make a pie. Mother. Oh, so that's fun. When you go over to your friend's house, she's going to help you learn to make a pie. And then finally, we have the word door. These two O's make the O sound. Door, door. What does this say? Door. Okay, read it with me. Door. What? Why is it pointing down there? Open the oven door when the pie is done. Oh, that's the oven door. Got to get it out. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, lay these out. Let's go ahead and drop this a notch So this is door. Help me read them. Mother. Wash. What does that say? More. You know what? Door and more rhyme. But they don't end with the same three letters. But they still rhyme. They end with the same sound. This says use, try, old, and want. Want and wash. That when there's that A's next to the W, it says ah. Wash and want. Okay, let me move these over a little bit. So, I want to see if you can read these without me helping you, just by sounding them out. We'll put them next to the right one. Let's read that. Mother. Mother. That goes next to this one. How are we going to do that? I think I'll just go like this. Mother. Mother. Let's do this. How are we going to sound this one out? What does that say? W. You think it's going to say A, but it says ah. Wa. Sh. You know what? Whoever made this card should have had the H over here next to the S, because it makes one sound, the SH. Shh. Wash. So let's put that over here on top of the word wash. Can you read this one? It also starts with a W-A. Let's do it. W. It makes the ah sound. Want. Want. Do you want some cake? Yes, I do. It says more. The E makes the O say it's long sound. More. More. So there's the word more. Let's put it right there. More. This one says or. Door. 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 Put it right there. Do you remember? And the Y says I. Try. Try. We're going to put it right here on top of the word try. Okay, here's your next sight word. Use. That S makes the Z sound and the E's silent. It's just making that one say you. Use. We'll put it over here where the other word use is. And finally we have the word old. 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 Okay, so that was our introduction to our Lesson 20 sight words.